can start the netting, we've got to do a bit of a clean up first. You basically dilute 25mm of it to 5 litres of water, spray the contaminated bird droppings and leave it for 20 minutes, and then you can remove. With regards to pigeons, pigeons carry about 12 different types of viruses, bacteria, etc. So you've got to take protection. You'll be wearing eyeglasses, you'll be wearing a mask so you don't breathe anything through, and most importantly, you'll be wearing a hazard suit as well, along with wellies and green gauntlets to ensure that we are safe. So let me just show you some of the issues that we're going to have to deal with. So as you can see, there's pigeon droppings absolutely everywhere. The actual net itself hasn't been installed properly. As you can see along the sides, they've just installed it using zip ties, which is allowing pigeons to fly in on the corner. And as you can see, they've made a terrible mess. It's absolutely horrendous. So before we can start repairing the net, we've got to tidy up first. So we're all ready to start. I've got the bio suits on, I've got the mask ready to go over. I'll put the safety glasses on at the moment. We've already diluted down the PX, so it's 10ml of PX to 1 litre of water. I've already got it in the spray. It's being pumped up to 2 bars of pressure, and that'll give a nice fine spray on top of all the bird droppings. We'll give it 20 minutes just to settle in, to neutralise it, and then obviously we'll remove it. We'll be doing a time-lapse video so you can see exactly what we've done and where we've done it. If you are interested in more details about this job, if you go to our website, that's tlcpest-control, and you'll look for case study number 7, and you'll see more details about this job. And be sure live beam removal. So it's day 3 of case study number 7. If you want to check out our website, you'll see some more information. We're just about to drop the original netting, so that's the original netting there. We're just about to take that down. We didn't want to take it down when we were originally doing the install of this steel work to attach it to, obviously because we didn't want more pigeons coming up here. But let me just show you a few things. So if you have a look down here, this is someone's idea of preventing pigeons from actually getting underneath the actual netting, and as you can see, all it's done is cause a pigeon to be caught, trapped and died. The actual netting itself has been stuck on with zip cords. Now we've installed this wire that you may see just going along at the roof line. That's what we're going to attach the net to. We're going to attach the net using a hog ring. So a hog ring is this little chap. It's basically a staple wire, and what you do is you attach that over the net and then attach that to the wire, and you should have anywhere up to about 4,000 or 5,000 hog rings holding this net in place. That's Lockie from TLC Pest Control. Make sure you check out our website and have a look for case study number 7.